How to enable auto dubbing on YouTube. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open YouTube on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, once you have opened YouTube, tap on your profile icon on the top right of your screen and then tap on the YouTube Studio option you see there. Now, once you are in YouTube Studio, scroll down and tap on the settings option you see there on the bottom left. And then tap on the channel option you see there. Now, tap on the advanced settings option, and now if you scroll down, you will see the option for automatic dubbing. So simply go ahead and tap on the enable option you see there, and then go ahead and make your preferred changes under the automatic dubbing tab. And finally, tap on the save option you see there in order to save the changes that you just made. And with this, auto dubbing on your YouTube has been enabled. So this was about how you can enable auto dubbing on YouTube. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.